फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट कि
Yes.
सोशल मीडिया ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर आपके पास खड़ा कर देता है कि मम्मा देखो वो तो स्टडीज में भी अच्छा कर रहा है, देखो वो घूमने भी जा रहा है, देखो वो उसके पास शूज भी ब्रांडेड हैं, कपड़े भी ब्रांडेड हैं, एंड ही हैज गुड गुड सर्कल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स और गर्लफ्रेंड्स और वट एवर। वो जो फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट है वो आप अपने टीनेजर्स में कैसे कर्ब करते हैं, उसको कैसे इंश्योर करते हैं कि वो उसे वो एंजाइटी वो स्ट्रेस नहीं हो?
तो सबसे पहले ये चीज मैं अपने आप को मोल्ड की, दैट फोमो मुझे नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई कैन टीच माय किड्स। अगर मैं ही नहीं सीखूंगी तो व्हाट विल आई टीच देम? सो द
एब्सोल्युटली।
फर्स्ट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इज आई स्टार्टेड choosing my friends where I'm celebrated, I'm not tolerated. So yeah, this is the first and the foremost thing which I did, because while I was growing in life, like it's been just 3 years and I've already finished like 3,500 brands by now. I'm the face of already 3,500 brands. And touch wood, with God's grace, when आप ऊपर बढ़ रहे हो like a rocket speed, there will be people who will stand beside you and there'll be millions pulling you down.
ओके।
And that is the challenge, when you feel that how should you cut the FOMO and how should you grow also in life. So again, as I told you, that first things, I started cutting down on friends who made me feel negative, who were jealous, and they were never happy with my success. So वो मुझे difficulty हुआ, because there were friends जो सालों से मेरे friends थे, supposedly good friends थे, and then when I started growing in life, I realized they're not happy with my success. They're not standing with me. It was difficult for me to cut down on them, because itne saal ki friendship, like I'm talking about good 14 years or 13 years of friendship. And it did take a toll on me, because I used to get dreams of maybe going back to them or asking them, "Kyun ye cheez kar rahe ho?" and all that. But then it took me a lot of time to just sink in that it's okay. And then I started making new friends who started supporting me, who had no filter. I could be myself. Maybe I'm in a pajama or no makeup, and still we are having that much of fun. So first and foremost thing, wo. Secondly, I started um, gratitude, like even the smallest of happiness also, I started celebrating that. तो वो चीज बहुत जरूरी है। अगर आप छोटे से छोटे चीज को सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते हो, तो देन यू विल स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग, like a small gesture of maybe my husband messaging me, let's go for dinner, or my kids getting me a card instead of getting me a Gucci bag on Mother's Day, making a handmade card. That is something which is more important to me now than thinking, oh, मेरे को कौन सा ब्रांड दिया, मेरे को कितना कैरेट का सॉलिटेयर दिया, मेरे पास कौन सी गाड़ी है. So all these things I started cutting on, which is really difficult for people, especially women, because they are the biggest socialized than the men. And when they go into social gatherings, मैक्सिमम टाइम यही बातें होती है, ओ आप कहाँ हॉलिडे पे जा रहे हो, आपने कितने कैरेट का सॉलिटेयर लिया, आपके पास कौन सा बैग है ब्रांड का, एंड ऑल दैट. So I cut down on people who used to talk only this, because I never wanted to invest my time in such talks. I wanted to invest my time on females, or maybe people who जिनसे मैं दो चीज सीखूं. जैसे with my kids also, I learn a lot with them. So this is how I started cutting down on my FOMO issues and jealousy issues. And then I started inculcating this on my kids. Like for example, Vanisha came to me, ki, Mama, this friend has this bag, this friend has this pencil box, I don't have it. Then I took her to an orphanage home. I took her to the kids on the street, showed her that, you know, gratitude karo ki aapke paas jo hai. Be thankful for that. I still remember my son was in standard 3. I went to pick him up, and the first question he asked me, "क्या कौन सा गाड़ी लाया है?" And I was like, okay. For that moment, it was like a shocker for me, because he was in a school where the kids were talking about cars. I just reached the car, and I told him I got a Swift or क्या कुछ ऐसी कुछ गाड़ी थी छोटी सी. So he said, क्यों Audi क्यों नहीं लाया? I just went till the car. My driver was there. I said, आप गाड़ी लेके घर जाइए. मैं इसको लेके बस में आ रही हूँ. And he was like, Mama, मैं बस में नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I said, why did you ask me this question? That was the first and the last time he ever asked me that कौन सा गाड़ी लाया, कौन सा brand है. And with small things, you get these changes in your teens, in yourself. First, get it in yourself, and then get it in your kids. That's what I feel.
I think you've been very conscious and mindful when it comes to parenting, Nandita, because अगर उस दिन आप ड्राइवर को बोल के ऑडी मंगा लेते और स्विफ्ट वापस भेज देते, तो वो डिमांड आज मल्टीप्लाई होके कहीं और ही पहुंच चुकी होती कि
Absolutely. That would have been the first seed of poison I would have put inside him. जो
हम्म,
मुझे नहीं करना है. And I always tell them, like, whenever they ask me that, whenever I ask them क्या बनना है and all that. So the first thing I tell them कि जो भी बनो life में, whether you're a doctor, you're an engineer, I never force them for anything till date. Whether it's classes, I have never forced them. But the only thing I tell them is become a good human being first. तुम
amazing.
क्या बनोगे मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. Be a good human being and then decide what you want to.
Yeah, that's amazing. I think that is a one rule that we also have in family. पहले आप इंसान अच्छे बनो, कनेक्ट करो लोगों से, और फिर जो
बी
आपने
बी सेंसिटिव, बी सेंसिटिव. ये मत सोचो लाइक कोई रास्ता में अगर एक्सीडेंट हुआ मैं मुझे क्या. किसी के घर में अगर आपको किसी कोई फ्रेंड ने फोन किया है फॉर सम हेल्प और समथिंग ना, मुझे क्या. नहीं. बी सेंसिटिव. दैट्स व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इफ यू आर सेंसिटिव, bingo, your 99% things are done.
Right, right, right. Amazing. I think you are 10 on 10 as a mother. I'm sure you are 100 on 10 as an actor and professional, but you are definitely 10 on 10 as a mother.